Quality traceability. Defects removal traceability. The heads receiving data. The tip burn is our main defect, around 6.7%. We will trace this defect during processing. We claim the system to give us a final product having 0% tip burn. We will assess the defects through the processing line. Quality and production management assigned 11 goals, spread all through the processing line, as follow. After heads deckering, at the end of the first room. Before and after the slicing machine, after the second basin, after the last belt, the check table. We used 409K from this delivery, around 1,400 heads. The checkpoints, assigned previously, remove the infected parts in crates. By the end of this trial we obtain the ratios. First checkpoint is at the end of the deckering room. The girl removed 5.800 kilograms, the waste due to defects was 1.4%. Notice, at this point the checking girl is dealing with heads, where the defects are one piece. The checking points from this point on will deal with defects after being cut. After the slicing machine. One girl removed about 1.200 kilograms, around 0.3%. After the second basin, one girl removed about 0.250 kilograms, around 0.06%. Before the centrifuge, one girl removed about 1.080 kilograms, around 0.3%. Checking table 6, girl removed about 1.300 kilograms, around 0.3%. All the inspection units remove about 1%, while the first checkpoint, one girl only, removes 1.4% from the whole defects. So, we wonder about the effectiveness of the checkpoints after lettuce being cut. It is one girl can do better than the next 10 girls. But is it really helpful to use these checkpoints in this order? It's worth mentioning that the defects rate before the check table at the last clean room reached 35 different defects, and after it defects reaches 11 defects in the final bags. Check table that is formed of 6 girls reduced, and did not prevent, defects to around the 2/3. Well, it is now recommended to start changing the inspection system by using checkpoints before the lettuce being cut. After that, we can use only few checking point on the processing line. Otherwise, when we work in the current way, we don't have any alerts for any potential issue. That is, the high care area should be a defect-free area. And the signal should alert when any defect passes to this area. Meanwhile, we have a full inspection unit, on 2 tables. This unit consists of minimum 6 to 7 girls. Then we lost the ability to see how much defects will pass, while the full room is prepared to remove or precisely to reduce the defects level as much as they can, but not to eliminate them. Recommended, defects removal should be before the high care area, during the precedent steps, and precisely before slicing. High care area is a defect-free zone. Ready-to-eat salads unit quality control system. The QC system is not really effective. There are no blocks between what is and what should be. 1. The first CCP, the chlorine level at the second basin is rarely checked. 2. Defects appear everywhere, even in the final bags. No actions are taken from the QC system. 3. The system cannot deal with issues or defects gradually according to their priorities. We have one stable system at one level. Otherwise, system should be robust and easily modified according to the need. There is no ranking or prioritizing of issues, so they can determine the issue type and severity. 5. There is no problem analysis or the root cause analysis measures. 6. Observations are not recorded.